or just test
So, testing the Outboard motor, I've just put some fuel in it. That was a weird operation. Surprisingly little spillage. We did well. Did we not do well, Matt?
No, no spillage.
No, it was like a drop. Which is apparently hard to do. Anyway, it's going to be noisy. 2-stroke engine, firing up. Yeah. I'm not going sideways, don't make me do that. Emergency switch underneath.
Stop. Brilliant.
The emergency stop switch is that red button there. Yeah. I know it's in an inconvenient position, but as you can see, instant shut off.
Oh, that works fantastic, doesn't it?
And it works fantastic, so I'll be whipping around with that.
I'll
give it a go.
Tomorrow.
And burn our fuel tank out.
Yes.
There's not much fuel, isn't it? There's the mounting for it as well, so I can keep it on deck for emergencies.
Yeah.
So
if we have engine trouble, back up. We have had engine trouble in the past.
We have had
really done with a spare motor.
And that was stressful, so
yeah, it was stressful.
We now have an extra outboard engine.
Especially when the tide is taking you into the side of the harbour.
But we weren't the only ones that day, so.
No.
Anyway,
there's a concert on it, on a big boat.
Anyway, 2-stroke engine test. Done. Yes, I know, they're very fucking noisy, aren't they?
That was noisy.
Awesome. Well, it was.
Cool.
That was pretty cool.
Absolutely.
It was gnarly. Anyway, say bye.
Right, flat pumps.
Flat Earth British.
Flat British, well struck of metals.
Well struck of metals. Martin.
Flat pumps to infinity.
And me, Lawrence.
Well, that works.
Indeed.
Nice, isn't it? Oh, that's good. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.